Introducing the Oasis, not just a swimming pool, but a summer haven for your family. Crafted with a freeform fiberglass design, the Oasis promises room for endless summer fun. Its curving edges and a spacious deep end of 7 feet 11 inches ensure there's ample space for everyone, from the kiddos to the entire family. What sets the Oasis apart? Its unique outside-the-lines personality. The curving walls not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also offer unique sitting positions like a bench seat and curved entry steps. And if you're thinking of giving it a personal touch, how about a winding water slide or a raised wall? Step into the Oasis and be greeted by beautifully curved entry steps, a signature style that accentuates its modern flair. And for those who've been with us for a while, you might find the Oasis reminiscent of our popular Venetian or Atlantic pool models. It's like a figure-8 met a free-form layout and created magic. Planning a summer party for the kiddos? The Oasis, with its vast 500 square feet surface area, offers a generous deck space. Imagine decking it out with patio furniture or even adding a fun, winding water slide for that extra splash of excitement. But that's not all. The Oasis is versatile. Think water slides, basketball hoops, volleyball nets, or chic outdoor furniture. The possibilities are endless and the fun? Limitless. So, if you're scouting for that perfect addition to your home this fall, look no further. The Oasis Fiberglass Pool awaits. Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.